Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video brought to you by Franc. In today's video, we'll be covering the effect that social media has on investing. There is no doubt that we are well and truly living in the digital age, with 83% of the global population owning a smartphone and the continuing rise of social media use, with more than half of the global population now using social media platforms. Whether we're using these platforms to interact and engage with others or read up on news and trends, it is evident that living in the viral TikTok era has definitely changed how we consume information, and we have seen this in how investors are now using these platforms to inform their decision making. It's no surprise that platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, and many others have now become the go-to places for financial news, especially for the younger generation. Seeking financial advice from financial advisors can be expensive and daunting for many, and social media has bridged this gap. Because of these platforms, financial information has become more accessible, and it has also come in bite-sized, entertaining, and engaging form. We have also seen the rise of social media influencers over the last few years. Whether it's a makeup product or car, people want to see people they can either relate to or trust recommend a product or service. One example of someone with influence is Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. In 2021, he tweeted a breakup meme with the hashtag Bitcoin, which saw the price of cryptocurrency drop. Earlier this year, he also tweeted that he will continue to hold his Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, which resulted in the prices of these cryptocurrencies going up at the time. With over 100 million followers and being one of the richest men in the world, it's really no surprise that he moves markets by just endorsing stocks and cryptocurrencies. With many people looking to social media for financial advice, it has increasingly made it easier for social media influencers without any investment background and knowledge to give financial advice on investing and trading. Just search hashtag FinTalk on TikTok. It is great that we all have access to all this information at the tip of our fingers. However, the risk is that someone may blindly follow the advice without knowing the risks and doing any research. The term for this is social proof, which is a psychological effect that leads people to conform to and copy what others are doing. An example of this is the GameStop frenzy, which you can read all about on our blog. Some Redditors influenced thousands of traders to buy GameStop stock. This resulted in the stock price soaring in a very short amount of time, after which many sold their holding in GameStop. This caused the price to then plummet back down, which resulted in some earning huge profits while others suffered big losses. It can be very hard to decide what to invest in and what to avoid when you don't think you have all the knowledge, and that is why it's important to learn all you can. Franc has an academy that can help you get started with some basic investing and money management lessons, all for free. If there's one thing you can take away from this video that will help you think twice before jumping onto the bandwagon, is doing your research. If you're thinking about investing in something, do your own research. It really doesn't matter how many people made thousands off their investment. It's important to look into it first.